are you guys doing today?
We're going skydiving. Yes.
First we get airplanes.
Yes.
This must be crazy.
Yes.
Whose idea was it?
Your fault if this goes wrong.
Yeah.
Last words, final comments, confessions before we go do this.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, everybody.
It's always the same for me. Computer, tablet, phone, bird, all buried in the desert. The wife can have everything else. Let's go rock a skydive, have some fun. High five. High five.
Here we go.
High five. Here we go.
Let's do it.
Yeah. Woo. Ready for it? Get in, get up, get out. Start some fun. Here we go. Oh yeah. What do you think?
I loved it. Awesome.
You gonna do it again?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
I would say just something about the airplane.
Yeah, you
The
did
views,
great.
obviously. I love the views.
Skydive Colorado Springs. Come back to me again.